Well, we've been making rocking horses since around 1976, and we introduced a whole range of plans for hobbyists to make something, and that's the whole thing really. The art of rocking horse making kind of went out in the early 1940s, that kind of thing. So we've introduced something that, although we make finished rocking horses, we've introduced something that will keep that going. So we've introduced it so that dads, granddads, mums, grandmas can make something and pass it on for this generation and many generations to come. This is a half-size horse that we make, and also we're introducing courses here at the Carpentry Store, so people will be able to come and actually make this rocking horse here at the Carpentry Store with one of our carvers from England, who will spend the time with them to actually make this horse.